Hi everyone, let's talk about my bag of choice for my Big Island Hawaii trip. I only brought two bags with me. This is my Burberry bag. I got this from 2018. It's canvas and it's a big bucket bag. Has leather bottom and feet and also a handle and a crossbody shoulder bag, but I use it mostly as shoulder bag. I brought this because I know that my style here in the island will be simpler, more laid back, and I want something that's very versatile. Still stylish. I think it's very stylish. I love it. And and I could put a lot inside. Like if I need to bring change of clothes, my camera, of course, for taking photos and videos here in the island, and also some other necessities. So this is just a big bag, and you can see it doesn't have any pocket other than this pouch that it comes with, and I love this pouch. Perfect for traveling because I could put all our passports here, all 4 passports, and money, my wallet, and even my phone. So this is a very great feature of this purse. And also because it's very big, I am able to carry with me a smaller purse. And this is, like I've said in my community post the other day, this is the MVP of my trip here in Hawaii because it's tiny, but you could put a lot of things in it. So I have my phone here, have my lotion, my shades, my wallet, and those are just the necessities. And so whatever I need, if I have to step out the car and I don't have to bring a big bag, I could pretty much put in this small bag. And this is perfect, whether you're going to the pool or at the beach, and you don't have to worry because this is a fabric material and you can throw this in the washer if it gets dirty, or just hand wash it. But if you haven't seen, and in case you are interested in getting yourself one of these, this is still available as a gift with purchase at the Dior US website. And you could see all the information here on how you could get one of these. And also, if you are interested in turning it into a bucket shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, I created a video tutorial and I will link it here and also in the description below. So yep, this is an awesome piece. I didn't bring any other bag because this because this matches all the outfit that I brought with me, and also similar to this Burberry bag, it has such a great easy vibe, and it is very stylish, to be honest. I don't know what you think, let me know what you think, but I think it's very stylish regardless of the logo, the Christian Dior logo. I think it is a very stylish and easy bag. Love the hardware that I picked for it, the gold ones, because it gives it a little edge. So yep, another purse. I think it's a small participant in this vacation is my little Furla heart bag. So I have here some other necessities, and these are really important stuff. So I have a charger cord, USB-C charger. I have my mini Dior lip maximizer, and whenever I go swim I put all my jewelries here. So I have here my engagement ring, my earring, and also my wedding ring. So it is such a great little purse for necessities. And I also have some extra SD card just in case the card in my camera ran out of memory. So it's tiny and I could still put a lot inside. So this is such a great piece. Again, I got this from Furla. I think it was on sale for $60. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I will link it in the description below. And what I love about this is that it's useful and it's also cute as a charm. So I actually have this hanging on the side of this strap right here. This. So whenever I carry my bag this way, you could see the charm dangling. Love it. So these are all the 3 bags. Well, these are the 2 bags plus a mini heart that I carried with me in my trip here in Big Island, Hawaii. So this is actually our last day. We're flying tonight and I will definitely miss the island. I love it here, love the weather, love the beach of course, and you know, I love like the easy laid back lifestyle. Not gonna lie, it's very expensive, but there are definitely areas that are affordable when it comes to dining and buying groceries and stuff like that. And I think I will create another video sharing with you where we ate, where we buy food, coffee here in the Big Islands. Just a little mini guide just in case you are interested in visiting this island. It's really great because it's not very busy. It's in the middle of summer right now, but there's not a lot of tourists. So if you're someone who likes an easy, laid-back kind of vacation, this is definitely a great place. Alright, thank you for staying with me in this short video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.